Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating moment in art history. On August 21st, 1881, the renowned French artist Claude Monet completed his iconic painting, The Japanese Bridge. This masterpiece captures the serene beauty of his garden in Giverny, showcasing his innovative use of color and light. Monet's work continues to inspire countless artists and art lovers around the world. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this glimpse into history, don't forget to follow for more intriguing stories.